Angel's Landing is like one of the bucket list hikes for national parks. It's unfortunately closed right now. So we just got to the top of Scouts Lookout, and it's
very much open.
It's very much open. Today we're going to Scouts Landing. Should be a couple miles there.
Yep.
And there's a place called Walter's Wiggles. We're pretty excited about that.
Switchbacks.
21 switchbacks. So we thought we were at Walter's Wiggles, but we actually have not even reached there yet. I think we've reached the start now.
The real start.
Of Walter's Wiggles. One down. 20 to go. What number do you think we're on now?
Well, I'm counting 8, but I don't know.
Hiking always shows me how out of shape I am in my 20s. Nana, which switchback do you think we're on?
I think this is 15?
15?
Maybe? Take 3. These are Walter's Wiggles.
Oh yeah. What were the things at the begining? Those are switchbacks.
Just switchbacks, just regular.
That's funny. All right. Amanda, did we just make it up Walter's Wiggles?
I hope so.
I think that was it.
I hope that was the last wiggle.
Walter, I hope that was your last wiggle. When we were coming to Zion, we were told Angel's Landing was one of the all-time greatest hikes, like a bucket list hike. But we found out it was closed upon coming.
Because of COVID.
But we just got to the top of Scouts Lookout, and it's
very much open.
It's very much open. There are lots of people doing it. So, Amanda and I are about to go do that right there. And so it begins.
Beautiful view.
Look at this. All right, this is what we're going up right here. That's a cliff. That's a cliff. We're doing all right.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Oh. Look at my wife just crushing it. All right, made it to the top. Can you hear me now? Good. We were disappointed that there were not concessions at the top of Angel's Landing, but that's okay.
I could really go for some ice cream.
I might get some later. All right, we're heading back down now. I'm actually gonna put this camera away because I've already smashed it once. It's somewhat working right now, and I just don't want to smash it again. We can officially say we did Angel's Landing because we made it back down without falling. Made it to the shade and it feels so good.
Remember when we thought these were the what are they called?
The Wiggles.
The Wiggles?
Yeah, they were not the Wiggles. Any tips for doing Angel's Landing?
Oh, have your hands free, and
Yeah.
I wouldn't
Probably don't hold on to a camera with one hand once you get to the top.
Yeah, bring lots of water.
Lots of water. We ran out actually.
Yeah.
We ran out of water, but thankfully we're we're only like 20 minutes out now. Don't get too close to the edge, take pictures of the top. Amanda's taking pictures of a girl that we all were looking at, and we thought she was gonna fall.
Yeah, she was really close.
Amanda, what did we just find out from the park ranger?
That Angel's Landing reopened yesterday, which is perfect timing. We had no idea, and like we're able to do it today. It's awesome.
Angel's Landing is like the coolest hike in Zion and what a lot of people go to do. We thought it was gonna be closed the entire time. Turns out it opened yesterday.